Welcome to Easy English channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain about preposition. What is preposition? I mean the definition of preposition, the kinds of preposition. But one thing I want to make it clear. There are many types of preposition. But in this video, I want to explain three the most common and useful prepositions: in, on, and at. How do we use them? And how many places can we use them? I will explain all this in detail with examples. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icons, so follow me. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that describes location, place, direction, or spatial relation in a sentence. The first preposition is in. So I want to explain the preposition in detail, step by step. Step 1. We use in for empty places, empty areas, where there is a room, there is a space to put something. For example, in the box is empty. You can put inside anything you want. The pen is in the box. My car keys are in the box. My book is in the box. In the box means the box is empty and you can put anything you want. Step 2 or use number 2. We use in the parts of the day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. For example, I want to go to attend meeting in the morning. I want to have my lunch in the afternoon. If I get chance, I will see you in the evening. So you can easily describe in the parts of the days. In the night, no. Red Cross. We cannot use in with the word night. I have meeting in the night. It is the wrong use of preposition in. I have meeting at night. So just to make it clear. Step 3 or use number 3. We use in before the names of seasons. Very simple and easy. For example, in the summer, in the winter, in the spring, and in an autumn. I want to visit Paris in the summer. So we use in before the seasons whenever we talk about summer or winter or autumn or spring. Step number 4, use number 4. We use in for a general time, for a small period of time. First, we use in for century. For example, I was born in 1990. We use in for months. For example, Easter will be in April. In April. We use in for the weeks. For example, the meeting will be in the next week. For example, our official meeting will be in the next week. Step 5. We use in for location. I live in London. Jan lives in the countryside. Mr. Ahmed lives in the town. Mr. Ali lives in my neighborhood. So in generally can be used for location. Now let's move to the second preposition, on. The uses of on in English sentences and English language. Step 1. We use on for full surface, not empty area as we talked before about in. No. The surface must be full. For example, on the shoulder, on my head, on the carpet. Step 2. We use on for some special days. For example, there will be a party on Sunday. We use on for special dates. It will be off on 2nd April. There will be special festival on the 5th of March. Step 4. We use on for special events. For example, my father will bring a special gift on my birthday. And the example, we will celebrate a huge party on Sunday evening. This was the usage of the second preposition, on. I'm going to move to step 3. Preposition 3, at, and the uses of at in English language. Step 1. We use at for specific spot, area. For example, at the corner, at the bus stop, at the top of the building, at the end of the road. So in all these examples, at can be used in a different way, and they give you different meaning. But one specific point, specific area, specific spot. Finally, I have explained the three prepositions and the usage of them in English language with examples: in, on, and at. I hope everything would be clear to all of you. In the next video, I would explain the rest of the prepositions with examples in detail. So wait for the next video. But before leaving, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and wait for the next video. Thank you.